Hey guys, it's an early Thursday morning, about 7ish, 7:10, something like that in the morning. So we did unload the car or trailer yesterday. We did nothing because we played after we did curbing. This we picked up. This was really weird. This was on a side street, had free sign on it, and I saw it there, Sunday Arvo, and I thought there's no way that's still going to be there. So it's, you know, this is a bit rotted, the seats and stuff, but all that's cast, so people will buy that just to redo it themselves. It's an easy thing to do. Do you know what I mean? They're pre-drilled. You can use bed slats, a really good thing if you're out curbing. Like, well, I used to fix them, but I haven't got time now. That's the tub that we picked up. I don't know what's out of, but if you notice, we watched the videos when we use that to help tie everything down. So I've got Dan and Scooby here. They're starting to unload now. I'll put you around my neck so I can give him a hand. It's a bit more rotten than I thought, buddy. It's probably going to have to come my way, isn't it? Oh shit, it's caught on my shirt. Hang on, sorry. It's caught on my shirt. I don't know if we're going to do anything with that. I didn't realise it was that rotted. Unfortunately, when you go curbing, you make mistakes. That's cool. I like the little basket. That was little doorknobs, little pieces. That's the car pretty much done. There's a couple of small things at the front there. That's his work shirt. Is that just cord?
Yeah.
That's good, wasn't it? That's a good score. Yeah, it's a few bucks just in cord. We've got a pile of cord on the table over here somewhere. So what we're doing is we're unloading, and then we're going to donate to Salvos this time, our local Salvos. We're going to donate to them. So let me show you a little bit else what we found. So those covers, seat covers, that push bike I think you've seen on the previous one, some whippersnippers. We've got 3 mowers. There's another mower somewhere. Must be in there. Yeah. This is the stuff, the smalls that we scored. That's pretty cool. That's for doing your Weber. There's Magpie saying hello to us. Christmas stop here, Christmas light. That's that pot you're seeing. There's some extra cord. I might start a cord box up, eh? Oh, yeah. These. Oh, gal. It's all good. This here is a completely box. Old mixer. You know, it's got the glass. That's pretty cool. This is how you plug the age for them. If you can redo them, see how you can take that apart. So if you see a piece like that, you know they're sort of 80s, 90s. They're all sealed units now. Oh, it's got a big break in the bowl. See that? Now we didn't do that because the piece isn't there. So that's a bit of a shame. Look at the original Sunbeam thing. That's pretty freaking cool. Let's see if I can get it out. Old Mitsa. It's dirty, it's rusty, it's probably been sitting in the shed for who knows how long. Or we might have broke it, because there is the piece. No, we could have broke it. We are idiots. There's a possibility that we did that. Well, I did that. The car did that, the packing did that. It's done anyway. Got a heap of 78 records. Now normally these aren't much, but Gypsy campfires. Gypsy campfires, bro. Oh, yeah. I've got a bit of Romanian gypsy from mum's side of the family in blood. So it goes. He's brought over some, these are pretty cool too. It's an old one. I like old things. It's because I'm old. There's a heap of these records. I'm just going to have a look through the bigger albums. Rex Harrison. They're probably all going to be too old, you know, to be anything. I'm not expecting to find a bloody... Well, there's one, Sergio and his band. It's been signed by Sergio. Sergio signed that. Thanks, Sergio. Glenn Miller, Benny Goodman. There's nothing here that has made me go, oh my God. Oh, what's this? For a good time. Oh, it's all cassettes. That's pretty cool. More college drinking songs. Sung by the Blazers, uncensored. That might be like a Dirty Ditties. That might be fun. This one's signed too. Super Mario Robbie, Home. Okay, that one's signed. There's a few signed records in here. I don't know. I'll research him at a later date. But yeah, it gives you an idea what's going on. Back on there for now. Bowling ball set up. It's got the ball in it. This looked all right. That Coleman. I remember how to open it. Press that in there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's a cockroach there. Oh, she's filthy. She got a cockroach. We got to kill him. This guy just sprayed my place. He got away though. Fuck him. Yeah, so it needs a clean. Looks way better on the outside than the inside. But I mean, if they're chucking it out, they're not going to freaking clean it, are they? Oh, Worm Farm. They're always handy. It's nice when you pick them up and they're clean. Well, this one doesn't even look like it's been used. So that's always handy. They've got a little tap down the bottom there, so it drips down to, you know, make your own fertilisers and shit at home. These little drawers are cool. You know, would have come out of a sewing machine or something. There's damage on them. People like collecting little drawers like that. You see them made up sometimes into chest of drawers. People make stuff out of them. Another pushy. Pick the push bike up. This thing here, I don't know what the hell that is. There's a couple of whippersnippers. Oh yeah, the rocking chair was pretty cool too, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't mind that. Kimmy always says she wants a rocking chair to sit out the front with a shotgun. And just like, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it's something. The plants I think you've seen. Oh yeah, it's locally made. Signed. There's a couple of toys and stuff. Matt. Scooby unpacked this, I think, before we started drinking, which was his idea. Yeah, it wasn't. Where's the Bunnings? We got a Bunnings gazebo, man. And yeah, how Scooby doesn't work for Bunnings, but I think he does. Okay, so we don't know if it's going to be there or that, but it's a proper like Bunnings warehouse on it. So that's just fun. Oh, this. Yeah, that's right. Now this is a nice little cane piece that you snuck away. Look at this. Look at this nice bit of cane, guys. Right? There's a hole in the top. We did that. You know, cut my cane thing in half with a chainsaw. We'll find plenty of things for you cut in half with chainsaws. That is not it. So that's the rubbish we picked up so far. So, what do you guys think on the run? What's the best thing, in your opinion?
My Bunnings gazebo.
The Bunnings gazebo wins for you? Oh, this. This. It needs a clean.
All the mowers loaded up.
Yeah, we're going to take them to thingy. Yeah, we're just going to load up some stuff now for the users that need to watch that. This is good though. Now I've got to work out how to. It needs a clean, obviously. How do we put it up, guys? Well, oh, there you go. There you go. That's it. And this is cool. Like this is the lock. So you press that in, press this in. It's not working now, of course. Yeah, all right. And that makes it so you can roll it. And then the brakes, you just press the button, and it locks it all. Now you look this one up, hey, $800, man, or over 800, new, and it needs a clean. But I mean, it's good. You can put 2 little ones in there too. You know what I mean? Like, and as Elon said, we need to have more children. So listen, Elon, Scooby, that time he started producing. No, he's done his bit. He's had 2 girls. I've had 3 girls. Well, that's necessarily. So, right. Oh, he got this too. This is good. This is up here. I can open it. Roofing screws, which is just what we needed. Yeah. We bought them when we built the last shop. I've had to pay for them. All right, so that's a little look around at what we're doing now. All right, that's all. We'll do one of our drop off at the salvos, whatever we give them. We'll be loading that over the next half an hour or so. But you won't see that until later today. This one I'll put up now. Okay, bye.